Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I've got a really handy Google Sheets tutorial for you, how to resize your columns and rows so that your data always looks neat, readable, and professional. By the end of this video, you'll know several ways to quickly adjust column and row sizes, whether it's to fit long words, make your sheet look cleaner, or just save space. Let's dive right in so you can start making your spreadsheets look and work better. So first things first, before we get resizing, let's talk about making selections. In Google Sheets, resizing a column or a row uses basically the same method, which is actually pretty convenient. To get started, simply click on the letter at the top of any column or the number along the side of any row. This highlights it, and it tells Sheets you want to change something about that whole line. Now, what if you need to resize more than one at a time? You can easily select multiple columns or rows by clicking and dragging across the headers, or by holding down the Shift key and clicking the first and last in the sequence you want. This is super helpful if, for example, you're importing a bunch of information and need to fix the whole layout at once. Once you've got your selection, you'll notice there's a faint line between the column or row headers. Here's a quick and intuitive way to resize. Just hover your mouse over that line, your cursor will change to a little double-sided arrow. Click and hold, then drag left or right or up and down for rows to increase or decrease the size. It's almost like stretching or shrinking the edge of a box to fit what's inside. Don't rush this part. Sometimes data can be wider than it looks at first glance. And remember, the new size applies to everything you've selected, so you can change a whole bunch of columns or rows at once with this technique. But what if you want Google Sheets to do the work for you and make everything fit just right? I love this little trick. With your columns still selected, double-click that line instead of dragging it. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the width to fit the longest piece of text in each selected column. It's like magic, everything lines up perfectly and your data stays visible without awkward cutoffs. If you ever import a list of names or email addresses and they're all hidden, this autofit method is a lifesaver. Sometimes, though, you need even more precision. Maybe you want columns to be an exact width so your sheets match a company template, or you need uniform rows for printing. Here, how you can do that: right-click on your selected columns or rows to bring up a menu, then choose Resize Columns or Resize Rows. You'll see a little box pop up asking for the pixel size you want. Type in the value, say 120 pixels, and hit OK. You can also choose the Fit to Data option here if you want Sheets to take care of the perfect sizing for you. This gives you control and consistency, which is great for those times when you want a polished, aligned look across multiple sheets or reports. So there you have it, 3 quick and different ways to resize columns and rows in Google Sheets. Whether you want to do it manually for flexibility, let Sheets auto-fit for convenience, or dial in a specific size for that extra level of precision. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or run into any issues. I'm always here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward tips and tricks on making your spreadsheets and your workflow work better for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.